Hi, welcome to the wedding of Carla and Jason, full of 2025 wedding ideas. The couple chose a classy champagne colour scheme with cherry blossom tree details. The ceremony room was dressed beautifully with a welcome sign, champagne chair drapes with a spray of pampas grass, petal aisle runners and cherry blossom trees with a matching hoop backdrop. This look was mirrored elegantly in the reception room. This time the chair drapes were tied in the angel style and each guest had a wooden name placement and Welsh cake favour. The cake was 3 tiers decorated in buttercream with gold leaf details, pink flowers, a gold personalised cake topper and a small figure of the couple. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more great ideas. Enjoy!
There's nothing else that I would choose. Baby, I do. Coffee dates at dawn and dancing in the rain. Each day beside you show this love would stay the same. Now we're standing face to face with our future in our hands. Everything just feels so right as the world begins to dance. I do. Been waiting all my life for you. There's nothing else that I would choose. Baby, I do. From this moment on till forever comes, every single day I'll choose us, I'll choose love. I do. This is a moment, waiting all my life for you. You're all I see, there's nothing else that I would choose. Baby, I do. Until forever I do with you.
Every day on my mind and I just can't get you out. I just want you, all of you, all to myself. Yeah, never wanna let this go, boy, we got something real. Might be selfish, but I just don't care, I swear. I just want you right here, always by my side. You and me together, baby, it's paradise. We can go
watching. If you're planning your big day, don't forget to take a look at our online wedding shop all about weddings. It's filled with beautiful, budget-friendly finds to help you plan the wedding of your dreams without breaking the bank. We've handpicked everything from bridesmaids' gifts to favours, confetti and centerpieces, and loads more, all at a price you'll love. Affordable, stylish and stress-free, let's make your day unforgettable together. Head over to our shop, the link is in the description, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us to reach more couples planning their big day.